Hello everyone, welcome to NEM-TRADE. We will talk about the passive income guide. The yatch is simple passive income method. In this, you have to just deposit. You can use your email or your number to log in and simply set up the password. It doesn't need a verification thing. And as you go in it shows that if you deposit $10, it will provide $1.5 for almost 60 days. So it is 90 days, almost a 9x in simple terms. You can also check their VIP, daily tasks, and you can also make a team. It will help you to grow, and this is a paid promotion. Don't forget that. And as you increase your VIP, it will also help you get daily income more. And this is a simple chain, so come early, get early. So as much as you join early, it will help you to get more and more benefits from it. As you go in the balance sheet, you can also check it and you can also deposit using Tron, BNB or BEP and Tron join. You can also withdraw with these options, and you can also see the limits and everything on the screen. And have a good day. See you all around. The different link in the description, so don't miss it. And be careful. If do due diligence, then do it. Have a good day. Bye bye.